Are you struggling with attendance tracking at work? Well, you're about to discover the easiest way to track your daily attendance, handle early departures, and monitor your work patterns. So let's dive right in and start with the installation of the app. Open the Google Play Store. Search PeopleSync Convosoft to locate the app. Click on the Install button. Once installed, open the app and follow the instructions. Now, to log in for the first time, sign in with Google using your work email. Make sure that your work email is logged in your phone. Clock in process. Open the app when you arrive at work. Make sure that your phone's location is turned on. Tap Clock in button on the main screen. Allow location access. The app will verify whether you have arrived at the correct workplace. Your clock in will be saved with timestamp. Clock out process. Open the app when leaving work. Tap Clock out button. Your working hours will be calculated automatically. Early clock out. Want to clock out before scheduled time? Tap Clock out and enter your early leaving reason in the dialog box. Your working hours will be calculated accordingly. You can view your early clockouts in the Attendance tab. Leave Management. To apply for leave, go to Leaves tab. Click on the plus icon. Select leave type, sick or urgent. Choose dates and duration. For 1 day, select a single date. For multiple days, select the range. Add reason for leave. Submit for approval. In leave status, pending means awaiting manager approval. Approved means leave confirmed. Rejected means leave denied. Viewing your attendance. View today's clock in, clock out time and working hours on your home tab. For monthly overview, access monthly and weekly report from the home tab. To view your monthly detailed attendance, click on the Attendance tab. You can view your whole month's attendance and previous month's attendance as well. For customer support, access PeopleSync customer support section from the Profile tab. Enter your work email address. Write a brief summary about the issue and provide details about the issue you are facing with the app. Attach any relevant files such as screen recordings of the error to support your request. And submit your request. Our support team will reach out to you via email to help you resolve the issue. Troubleshooting some common issues and solutions. Location error? Verify that your location is turned on. If not, enable GPS/location services. Ensure you're within the office premises and your app has permission access. Check app permissions in device settings. Network error? Verify whether your internet is working fine. Try a different Wi-Fi connection or mobile data. Restart the app. Authentication error? Log out and log in again. Contact IT customer support if issue persists. Tips for best experience. Clock in immediately upon arrival. Make sure to clock out before leaving or else that day's attendance will be marked as absent. Weekly habits. Review your attendance every week. Plan leave requests in advance to get them approved early. Discuss any discrepancies with HR. Monthly reviews. Analyze your attendance patterns. Set attendance goals for improvement. Provide feedback on app features. Update app when new versions are available. Thank you for using the PeopleSync Attendance app. For the best experience, keep your app updated and follow the guidelines in this tutorial. If you need any assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team. Happy tracking!